On the afternoon of June 7th, Chanjisan Weixin Shengjiao Tianyi Branch Temple invited teacher Zhu-Yi to deliver a public lecture with topic about Yellow Emperor's inner canon in the modern life, the use of classical medicine to improve in our health. Teacher Yu shared his experiences and Chinese medical theory and led all participants to glimpse the wisdom of classical medicine and propose the useful healthcare lifestyle practically. This event was organized by Master Yuan De, Chief Executive Cai Ju-Cai, and Director Wen Yizhen. Virtuous fellows and local residents were invited to learn together. The event was chaired by Lecturer Yuan Ben. He introduced VIP guests to everyone. Then Chief Executive Cai introduced Teacher Yu. Teacher Yu began by sharing the ideas from Yellow Emperor's inner canon, such as heaven and humanity to unify, the balance between yin and yang, take care of body in 4 seasons. Teacher Yu put traditional medicine into a clear, easy-to-digest format and explained how our body be affected by natural changes. Teacher Yu also insists that the key to prevent disease and slow down aging processes, we should eat properly, put ourselves on special diet by the changing seasons, and avoid overloading physical work. In the bustle of modern life, Teacher Yu also has offered the concrete solutions such as dietary, sleeping, emotion adjustment, and acupressure massage to help anyone can do it. Teacher Yu's insightful lecture was met with a big round of applause from all participants. Master Yuan De also invited Teacher Yu to visit Tianyi Branch Temple for opening class and a charity clinic. Weixin Report, Yu Huilin, Tianyi Branch Temple.